Rightio, I'm going to make my favourite pizza base for you. Half a teaspoon of sugar, tablespoon of fresh yeast, weighs about 5 grams. Sugar and yeast go in. I'm just going to give it a bit of a stir. And leave that for 10 minutes. Plain flour, 5 cups. And basically you're going to stir in, I should have sifted it. And I'm just using a fork, that way I can squish up the lumps. That's thickening up. So I also want a tablespoon of salt. It's still a little bit sticky. Still a little bit sticky. So I'm going to add some more flour. So I'm adding about another 1/4 cup. I'll stir that in. So this is looking alright. It's not as sticky and it's coming off the sides. It's about good. So in the clean bowl, just put a splash of oil in there, about a tablespoon. Put our dough in there. Pretty much coat that with oil. And then leave for 1 hour. Now there we go, the dough has risen, ready to divide. And that weighs 1.4 kilos. Put this on a dusted tray. Chop it as best we can into four parts. So these can either be frozen as is, just dusted flour over them, or you can roll them out and make a pizza, which is what I'm going to do. This is the raw dough with the topping. Goes into the oven at 230°C for about 10 minutes.